Hey plant lovers, welcome back. Today, we're exploring the amazing world of gardening on our channel and discussing the top 10 plants that you should absolutely have in your garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these plants are sure to bring joy, beauty, and functionality to your space. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about herbs that not only add flavor to your meals, but also offer numerous health benefits. Basil, it's not just for pasta. Basil is easy to grow and adds a fresh, aromatic touch to your dishes. Plus, it's great for making pesto. Mint, perfect for teas, cocktails, and desserts. Mint is a prolific grower, so be ready to have an abundance of it. Rosemary. This fragrant herb is a must-have for roast dinners and grilled dishes. It's also known for its calming properties. Next, let's talk about adding some pops of color to your garden with vibrant flowers. Marigolds. These cheerful flowers not only brighten up your garden, but also help repel pests like mosquitoes. Sunflowers, known for their towering height and sunny disposition. Sunflowers are a joy to grow. They also attract beneficial pollinators like bees. Petunias. These low-maintenance beauties come in a variety of colors and are perfect for hanging baskets or borders. Now, let's move on to plants that bear delicious fruits. Tomatoes, yes, they're technically fruits. Tomatoes are versatile, easy to grow, and nothing beats the taste of a freshly picked tomato from your own garden. Strawberries, who can resist juicy, homegrown strawberries? They're perfect for containers or raised beds. Lemon trees. If you have the space, lemon trees are a fantastic addition. Fresh lemons for cooking and drinks right from your garden. Lastly, let's talk about plants that offer more than just beauty. Lavender. This fragrant herb not only smells amazing, but also attracts pollinators and helps repel pests like mosquitoes. And there you have it, folks. 10 plants that are sure to elevate your gardening game. Whether you're looking for flavor, color, or functionality, these plants have got you covered. Remember, gardening is not just about growing plants. It's about nurturing a connection with nature and creating a beautiful sanctuary for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening, and until next time, keep blooming.